so cross-eyed means that the eyes are not looking straight. There can be a number of reasons why this happens, and it can be at any age. A lot of the cases tend to be in younger children, and it can be a development issue, and that's why it is important for children to get their eyes tested while they're young, so that we can check that both eyes are working correctly. So in the older age group, where the eyes start to turn in, it tends to be something that will happen quite suddenly, and it can be something that's just caused a weakness in the muscle, and that can be ill health, or it can be more of a trauma, either to the eye itself or something going back further in the brain. It is always important to get it checked out and seek further advice.